I think the senior transition business is a growing business simply because the population of that market is growing. I also see it as we're being more recognized, or the model, what we do, is becoming more recognized within the industry, within the senior industry, senior care, retirement communities. And so they see that seniors and families are facing these critical transitions. They don't have a solution of how to take care of it, but there's these professionals, not just mom and pop folks, but professionals who have training, who have certifications that can actually fit and meet their needs and can get them where they need to go and have all the answers to, even if we can't do something for them, if this something is outside the scope of our services, well, we know the right folks, we know we have the right referral partners, that we can provide the information, we can provide the services that meet a majority of their needs, but then provide just the knowledge and information that helps make that transition as smooth as possible, so that families are now able to be with mom and dad during that transition, and we take care of all the hard work. And that helps mom and dad make that transition, which is usually a very stressful one for them.